These Nestle Toll House semi-sweet morsels are the best ones to use to make chocolate chip cookies or to bake, brownies or whatever you're going to do. And it does have a cookie recipe for the classic cookies on the back, and just use this. Don't go searching for other recipes anywhere else. This is the best one to use for Toll House cookies. And the reason that you want to use the semi-sweet chips, number one, these are formulated for baking, so they do act differently than a regular chocolate that's just like for eating. Like if you chopped up a Hershey bar and put it in this, it wouldn't be the same. This is the one that you want. And it is semi-sweet, so it's not super, super sweet like milk chocolate. It doesn't have the same chemicals, well, not chemicals, but ingredients in it. And it does taste better when you're making chocolate chip cookies to have a semi-sweet chip, because the milk chocolate tends to make them super sweet. So this is kind of a good all-round chip for baking, and these are definitely the best ones that I personally have always used.